Today, we're going to learn how to get a girlfriend in 7 steps. Now, let's begin. Number 1, assess your readiness. Getting a girlfriend isn't easy, but it's not as complicated as many people say.
Mom! I can't talk right now. I'll call you back in 10.
How to kiss a guy. How to kiss a man. 3 ways to make the experience unforgettable to him and have him obsessing with you. If you want to be an unforgettable kisser, you want to make it just as Jameer says, like it's the whole before, during...
Hey Siri, what's the square root of 7?
Thomas, you are an idiot. You have to be the dumbest person I have ever met.